If you've ever wondered how to check your Epic Games coupons, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to find your active coupons on Epic Games so you can see what discounts you have available before you make your next purchase. This is really helpful if you've earned a coupon through a sale event like the Mega Sale, or if you've received one through Epic Games marketing emails. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Epic Games account. You can do this either through the Epic Games launcher or by visiting the Epic Games website in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you have more than one account, because your coupons will only appear on the account they were issued to. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where your account options are stored, including settings and other account-related pages. After clicking your profile icon, look for the option labeled Coupons and select it. This will open the Coupons page inside your Epic Games account. On this page, you'll be able to see all of your active and valid coupons. If you have any available, they should appear here along with the details you need to know before using them. Keep in mind that Epic Games coupons are often tied to special promotions, so if you don't see one right away, it may mean there isn't an active coupon on your account at the moment. These coupons are typically earned during events like the Mega Sale, or they may be given out when you subscribe to Epic Games marketing emails. So if you're expecting one, it's always a good idea to check your inbox and your account page to make sure everything is set up correctly. And that's it. Now you know how to check your Epic Games coupons quickly and easily. If this tutorial saved you some time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.